Well, that's what's up, pajamas, man. Forest jogging. What grade are you in now? I think you're in high school, right? What is better than a morning jog? What happened to Simba? Did you leave?
No, I'm here.
Oh. What's better than a morning jog, especially if someone else does it? I don't know. Is that a riddle? 10th? You about to graduate soon. The pet must complete the first, second, and third lap, and I'm cheering on my pet. I'm a senior in college. Does it make me feel old? Well, that is true. Well, today is my last day in my 30s, so tomorrow's my birthday, so I guess I feel a little old. He was like 10. That's crazy. Shout out to pajamas, everybody. So I got a hand clap or something. Yeah.
What did we used to play with pajamas? Was that Road Company?
Yeah, we played Road Company, and we played this this picture drawing game, like Pictionary type. That's when he flopped it on us. That was so fun. Okay, so let's see. We got a function. We gotta move the pet. Three years. Wow. Just about 4 years. This is true. Okay, so first we gotta move to the left, which is this one. Move to the top, and then the right is 5124. What was the coordinates? 5124. Oop. And then the bottom is 35. Yeah, I'm back to multi-streaming, so I'm on YouTube as well. But my chat isn't scrolling across the screen.
Oh man, TikTok is actually done on the 19th.
Good. Get these kids off of there. Okay, so in the function that we created, we got a while loop, which is gonna have the pet go around and around in a circle. And we're calling it. So on spawn, which is the event, this is a function. And while true, we're gonna cheer the pet on, even though it's not a dog. I don't know why we're calling it good dog, but yesterday the bird was a cat, so let's get into it. You can do it. It's not running, it's flying. I should have changed the commands to say something else, like a song or something. You see me rolling. That bird is going. Got her done though.